You can convert your Base44 web app into a native mobile app, okay, using third-party services that wrap your existing web content in a native quote-unquote shell or web view. These solutions allow your web app to run on iOS and Android devices and access native features like push notifications and the camera. Okay, services like AppMyWeb or Median.co, right, provide a streamlined no-code way to generate native app files. As we explained in the previous video, you're gonna just go ahead and hit get started for free, right? And you're gonna paste your link for your app. Okay, if you're new, you're gonna enter the name of the app in the link, and you're gonna be inside this main info, and you're gonna run a preview for this app, and you're gonna see exactly how it would look like if you use it on Android or iOS. Okay, if there is any info or if there is any other information you would like to fill, just go ahead and fill it out here, right? And just continue, right? Hit save changes and continue with your app details. You can customize the app, add native features, testable, publish to app stores. Of course, you have to have like a pay plan for your app store so you can publish your app, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.